Hello and welcome to the kitchen. Here are our ingredients for a lovely chicken dinner. We have some carrots, which we're going to lightly roast in the forge. A tater, which we're going to mash, so we've got some lovely fluffy mashed potatoes. And then chicken, which we are going to fry. Firstly, the carrots. We need to find an implement to hold our carrots. Perfect. We come over to our stove. We want a nice high heat for these carrots. I'll leave a couple roasting at the side of the fire. Turn the fan on to really whack the heat up. And gently turn! We'll leave our carrots there just for a second so they can really roast all the way through. The smell is just beautiful. Now for our lovely tater. We can even bury this one in the coals and just let it sit for a minute or two. I think it's done. Time to mash. Time to tenderize our chicken. I've got a lovely 4-pound crossbeam, which is just perfect for the job. Make sure to get extra seasoning by dropping the chicken on the floor. We have our pan at a nice high heat in the fire, as you can see. We really want to sear the outside of the chicken, leaving a nice moist centre. To make sure it doesn't stick, I've got some oil. And now for the chicken. It's a lovely sizzle. And if we turn the fan on, we'll get a lovely high temperature. Time for the flip. I seem to be burning the frying pan, but everything is okay. And that is our chicken done. Nice and crispy. Medium rare.